today's competitive market, your business needs to find new and innovative ways to become more productive and efficient, while at the same time minimizing capital costs. This video is an introduction to a revolutionary new storage system that will help you make the most efficient use of your space at an affordable cost. The movable shelf aisle saver can provide your business with a high-density storage system at an affordable cost. In accordance with rail construction, we can make non-rail aisle saver and a rail aisle saver. Moreover, in accordance with loading, we can make aisle saver pallet and aisle saver case. The aisle saver pallet of rail type can load 24 tons by each width, and the aisle saver pallet of non-rail type can load 16 tons by each width. The aisle saver case can load 1.5 tons by each width. The aisle saver pallet can be used for many different storage solutions, including industrial products, raw materials, food and beverages. It can also be used for distribution warehouses and cold warehouses. The installation environment of the aisle saver pallet covers the normal temperature type from 48 to -10 degrees Celsius, the frozen type -10 to -30 degrees Celsius, and the explosion-proof type that can store dangerous articles. Of course, there are many systems available, but what makes the aisle saver unique is the many benefits it will offer to your business. 1. Higher storage efficiency because of the single-wag aisle with access from either end. The storage capacity can double by introducing a movable shelf, and the space can be used effectively. 2. High performance though low-priced. The aisle saver pallet can provide customer with a high-density storage system at a low cost. 3. The operation space can be taken in the maximum, and it is possible to approach from either end. 4. Simple structure leading to less maintenance. By using direct drive, there is no power transmission device that may break. Also, there is no extra reinforcement by the horizontal brace, as there is only one communication line between the cards. 5. As for the non-rail type, the construction period shortens. 6. Earthquake-proof performance. In the Great Hanshin earthquake, big damage occurred from an automatic storage and retrieval system and a fixed shelf because of the fall of luggage and the collapse of the rack. There are results that damage can be extremely little, for the movable shelf is a quake-absorbing structure. The rack excels in the Roman construction and earthquake-proof performance. 7. Easy to operate. You can operate the system with a single button. So how does it actually work? The aisle saver has 4 basic modes of operation. 1. Usual operation. To release the interlocking aisles, simply push the button on the operation panel. Then please push the button of the aisle to open it. 2. Equal aisle. The function to open the aisles at equal intervals automatically is called an equal aisle. The aisles open automatically at equal intervals only by releasing interlock and pushing the equal aisle button. 3. Reserved aisle. This function allows you to open a pre-registered aisle automatically. When there is emergency, you can push this button. The aisle will automatically open for the workman to leave in safety. Four. Manual operation. For easy operation, the system can be switched to manual and the rack moves from right to left at the touch of a button. Of course, any workplace system needs to be safe and ensure the safety of your workforce, and the I/O Safer palette has 8 built-in safety features. 1. Opening I/O interlock. The I/O will automatically interlock after it has finished opening. To open another I/O, the I/O has to be unlocked. 2. Entry interlock. The rack stops automatically when a person or the forklift goes into the shutting I/O. 3. Photoelectronic beam bumper. While a rack is moving, if the bumper sensor is triggered, the rack will stop automatically. 4. Emergency stop button. The rack stops quickly when the emergency stop button is pushed. 5. CPU self-check. When the power is switched on, the system's CPU will do the check automatically. If an abnormality is found, there will be an automatic warning. 6. Overload detection. If the system detects an overload, it will stop moving immediately and give warning. 7. Automatic derailment stop function. The rack stops automatically when it derails from the guideline and the guide sensor is not able to be detected. 8. Running time over. The rack will stop automatically when it doesn't complete the movement in the registered time. The I/O Saver case is the best for keeping files in the cases. Structure became simple by reducing the number of parts, and we can offer it at a price near the manual steering wheel type. Next, we introduce how to operate I/O Saver case. The safety hook is hung on the right from the left. Next, push the button that you want to open. The cart moves only while the button is being pushed. Please hang again the safety hook from the right to the left when the I/O finishes opening. The I/O Saver case has 2 safety features. 1. Safeguard. If the hook hangs up left, the cart never moves, even if other people push the button. 2. Emergency stop.